Welcome back to the city of Learn, Grow and Build. After creating pages, let's hover to navigation and create the menus. First, we are going to click on main menu. So here you should see a couple of things by default. If you don't need those, you can delete them and then click on add menu items to create a new category. You will see the little pop-up right here. So in the name block, we are going to write about us and then click on pages and link to our new about us page, though which was created. Click on add and let's add a couple of more menu items. Next, we could add our collection. We could add our clutches collection. And now I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same process for my other collections. I'm going to click my collections. You could also create a bestseller collection and link it in your menu. And if you have a lot of different collections, you can add them first as I just did. Alright, so let's save our menu and go back to edit it to footer menu, which is going to show at the bottom. Click on footer menu and just like we did for the main menu, let's add a few important pages to the footer. Click on add menu item. Now let's add our about us page. And let's add few of our collections. Let's save and go back to the theme editor tab. Now the main menu will be already edited here by default, so we don't need to do anything. So let's scroll down to our footer section and here click on add block and add the main menu. You can see our main menu here. Let's save it. Now let's have a look how our store is actually looking live. Go up here and click the view. And we can see how our things are looking so far. If you click on one of your products, you will see the product information will be already set up based on what we entered earlier in the dashboard. So that's all for customizing your theme. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments sections. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.